Well, the subject today is inverse functions, and we've got a function here, f of x equals the quantity x plus 1, that quantity squared, where x is greater than or equal to -1. And we have to state the domains and ranges of f of x and f inverse of x. We have to graph both f of x and f inverse of x, and then we have to determine the equation of f inverse of x. What we're going to do is break this up into 3 parts. So this will be part 1. In part 1, we're going to state the domain and ranges of f and f inverse. So, f inverse D for domain, R for range. Let's see. This is going to be x such that, y such that, for f inverse x such that, y such that. Then the next issue. We've been given the domain. X is greater than or equal to -1. So correspondingly, we know that the range of y will have a similar restriction. Y will be greater than or equal to -1. Notice, since we exchanged the coordinates x and y for the domain, for f and f inverse, we also exchange domain and ranges for f and f inverse. Now let's see. For the range of y, the smallest this thing up here can be, x plus 1 quantity squared, is 0. For all other values of x other than -1, this quantity, when you square it, will be greater than 0. So y will be greater than or equal to 0. So correspondingly, the domain of f inverse is going to be x such that x is greater than or equal to 0. And there we have it. We've stated the domains and ranges of both f and f inverse. And notice the domain of f corresponds to the range of f inverse. The range of f corresponds to the domain of f inverse. And we are done.